Hi, good morning, all of you, dear students. Today I'm here to explain grade second standard. Yes, direction chapters, question and answers. Right? Already you learnt about directions in your previous class. Yes, here in this topic, you studied about what is meant by directions and which are the relative directions and which are the cardinal directions and which are the materials that have been used to show the directions. Okay, yes, we learned in the previous class. Today I'm here to explain the question and answers of this chapter. Right, see here, as you all know that here is a beautiful drawing. Look at the Sarah's neighborhood. Okay, see, because I need to explain about this neighborhood of Sarah. Okay, this is Sarah's house. Imagine, because after this you will have some question to answer. You have to answer them. Okay, children, here is a Sarah's house. Right, on right side of the Sarah's house, what do we situate? Yes, park. Okay, public park. In front of Sarah's house, we see banyan tree. Right, on left side of Sarah's house, we situate a fruit shop. A fruit shop has been found here on left side of the Sarah's house. Behind the Sarah's house, yes, there is a school. Right, yes, this is a complete picture of Sarah's house. Okay, what has been surrounded by Sarah's house? Okay, see, let us learn about, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the word box. Here are some words given. Okay, behind, right, yes, left, in front. Together, what do we call them at the time of teaching a class, teaching a chapter? I explained. Okay, these are called relatives, relative, yes, directions. Behind, right, left, in front of relative directions. Right. Now, the first question is, there is a big banyan tree dash Sarah's house. Okay, come to see. Let us see now. This is Sarah's house. In front of, okay, Sarah's house we situate, yes, banyan tree. There is a big banyan tree in front of Sarah's house. Did you catch the answer? Now, her school is dash her house. See, come on, answer me now. Her school is behind the Sarah's house. Behind the Sarah's house, we situate her school. Right? Yes. Third one, the park is to the dash of her house. Where do we situate the park? Dear students, we situate the park, see, onto the right side. This is the right side. Okay. Right side of the, yes, Sarah's house. Now, fruit shop. The fruit shop is to the dash of her house. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is left. Right. See, this is her house. Okay, this is left side of her, yes, house. Can you agree with me, children? See, actually, the way you looking at the house, that is not the direction. Look at the front door, right? From by keeping this as a center point, you have to share the relations. Okay, what is that? What kind of relations? Is cordial relations and relative relations, relative directions. Cordial directions and relative directions. Okay, the first one is here in front, second one is here behind, third one is right, and fourth one is left. Now let's start with the exercise, dear students. Okay, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. See, it is very common, already you learnt in the previous class, right, children? The sun rises in the dash. Everybody knows this answer. Am I right? Where does sun rise? Okay, the sun rises in the east. Okay, when you facing towards the sun, that is east, means, okay, always sun rises in the east. Second one, sailors use a dash to find directions at the sea. Dear students, see here, compass. Compass is used to find directions. You know very well, sailor. Sir, what is the sailor? I already explained to you in the previous class. Okay, children. What is meant by sail? Sailor, which means a person who moves a boat, a person who moves a ship, who is called as a sailor. When you are in a travel in the sea, usually you cannot find out the directions, okay, because all the directions you can find water, but in which direction you are moving towards, you can't find out. So in order to find out the directions in the sea, we use compass. Sailors usually, a person who moves a boat, yes, he uses a compass to find out direction at sea. Okay, children. Yes. Third one. At dash, the sun is overhead. Okay. Morning, the sun is always in front of you. Evening, always the sun behind you. But when it is overhead, in the afternoon, right? Especially at the noon, the sun is overhead. What is correct answer? At the noon, the sun is overhead. First one east, second one compass, third one the noon, right? Yes. Moving towards, right? Yes, moving towards the answer in, yes, one or yes, two words. We have to answer in one or two words. Okay, children. Let us start now. Yes. Now we shall start with the first one. Okay. Which is the first one now? Yes. The first one is, in which direction is the sun in the evening? Okay. Yes. What is the correct answer, my dear all? Yes. The correct answer is, yes, west. Okay. Yes, in the west. As you all know that. In which direction is the sun in the evening? In the evening, the sun is always in the west, because the sun sets in the west, right? Okay, next one. What does a compass have inside it? Okay, the compass, which has magnetic needle. Look at the word magnetic, magnetic, magnetic needle, needle, magnetic needle. Okay, inside of the compass. Am I right, children? It is correct answer. Okay, question number third. If you are facing the rising sun, the direction shown by your right hand is called as south. The direction shown by your left, which is called as north. Correct answer, no? Yes. Answer in one or two words. First question is west. Second question is magnetic needle. Third one, first dash, south. Second one, north. Okay. Now, moving towards. Answer in a sentence. My dear students, answer the following questions in a sentence. This is very, very important. The first one. Okay. Which is the first one here? Yes. Okay, the first one is, name the cardinal directions. Which are the most important cardinal directions? You have to trace them out. Yes, the first one is here, north, south, east, west. Our four directions are called as the cardinal directions. You know very well, the cardinal directions, which have four, but the relative directions are different. Up, down, left, right, in front, behind. These are, yes, relative directions. Hope you understand. Next one. First one answer is north, south, east, west. Do you get it? Yes. Question number 2. Which are the 4 relative direction words that we use to indicate directions? The first one is left. Second one is right. Third one is forward. Fourth one is backward. Fifth one is up and down. These have been called as, yes, relative directions. 4 relative directions. Right? Pick up any 4. Okay, children. Now, moving towards the third question. How does the sun change its position from time to time? The correct answer is, okay, answer has not been written over there. I'm going to tell you with the spelling. In the morning, the sun is seen in the east. Am I right, children? In the morning, I-N-N-T-H-E, the morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. In the morning, the sun, T-H-E, the, S-U-N, sun, the sun is, I-S-E is seen. Yes, double E and seen in the east. I-N-N-T-H-E, the E-A-S-T, east. Right? Answer continues. Then, by noon, T-H-E, and then B-Y, by noon, by noon. Yes, we see, W-E-V-C, yes, W-E-C, the sun overhead, O-V-E-R-H-E-A-D, overhead. Okay, continuous. In the evening, I-N-N-T-H-E, the evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, in the evening, the sun is to the west. The sun is to the west. This is answer for how does, yes, the sun change its position from time to time. Okay, children. Now, here is a get busy. Here is a boy and girl. Get busy. Write the relative directions, not coordinate directions. You have to fill up this with relative directions, right? Write the relative directions in the boxes provided in the picture. Am I right, children? Here is a boy. Here is a box. This is the box placed where? Where of a boy? Yes, forward of a boy, in front of a boy. Am I right? The box which is behind this arrow mark, you see, backward. Okay. Yes. Here is a girl. Okay. This arrow mark shows the right side of a girl. Right. This arrow mark shows the box, the left side of a girl. Am I right, children? Yes. This is all about, yes, question and answers of directions. Hope you have understood, my dear students. Okay, it was very, very easy, you know. Yes, do learn properly at home. Yes, have a nice day. Yes, I shall see you in the next class with a different chapter. All the best. Okay, see you all.